And hey guys, hey everyone, I'm so excited to show you the latest flagship model, and the model name is X90 Pro Plus ViVO X co-engineered edition. And this phone is the latest masterpiece from Vivo and X, and as we can see, this is the smartphone, and also this is the original case that provide. Okay, so this case is so high-end, and also it almost same like the original back cover of this device. And for this device is yes, it have a very unique design. So we can see here is it's like a lighter material and textured back cover, and when we touch it, we can feel it's very comfortable. And the leather is so unique, and also this leather is not easy to lift your fingerprint on it. And also the design is here, for the camera zoom part, it's a big circle design for the camera, triangular camera system, quad camera system, rear camera system. Also there's I think there's a metal material lines to divide the back cover of this device in two parts. And actually it looks so nice and looks balanced. And also for the frame, is when I touch it, it's like just like a china or ceramic fittings, and it's so beautiful. And also the not only this line, the frame of this device is also used the same materials, like, and it looks so beautiful. This device, I mean, the Vivo logo, those with the flashlight, extreme imagination. And also we can show you when we go to the front part, it have a curved screen. Yes, the 3D curved screen, and also the small punch hole camera. It looks so nice, so beautiful. It's the full display performance. It looks so high end for this phone. Yes, it's so nice, so beautiful. You can enjoy the design framework, camera dome, back cover, and this mental line looks so balanced. And also it's, when I hold it on my hand, it feels so comfortable. It's only 222 grams, and also the depth is only 9.7 mm. It's not so big, and it's weight light, so I can feel it comfortable, and even hold it on my hand for a long time will not feel tired. And also for this time, they provide a big battery. It's 4900 big batteries, and also it's a cabled 80-watt fast charger and 50-watt wireless charger, so it's also good for the charging part. Okay, for such a screen, the high quality screen, I will say is the Samsung E6 screen this time to provide. It's a 6.78-inch AMOLED screen, and it supports 120 Hz refresh rate. And we'll go to the setting part to check the display performance. Here we get the screen resolution performance specification here: 3200 1440 2 fast choose resolution rate. Also we can get the screen refresh rate 60 Hz 120 Hz. This is also good. Besides this, it also support PMW brightness adjustment and the high frequency 1440. So this is also good for UC different environment. And for the chips, we go to settings to check the chips information here. The system imagination about phone here. It's a Snapdragon 8 Generation 2 processor, octa-core, one big core, supports 3.2 maximum frequency, and also support 12 plus 256 GB RAM and ROM. It's LPDDR4 5X and UFS 4.0. It supports expandable 8 GB RAM virtual expand, and also it's used the Vivo own developed V2 chips, so the chips can get high performance on the energy and also the shooting performance on this software. Yeah, the first generation V2 chips